Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you step by step how you can rotate texts in your documents on Microsoft Word really quickly. So if you'd like to learn more about this, make sure you keep watching, guys. It is very simple. So access the Microsoft Word document you'd like to edit. So let me find a free line here to place our text, to rotate it. So what you want to do, guys, is use the text box feature to rotate your text. This is how you can access it. Switch from the Home tab here in the top left to Insert. And here in the Insert tab, look for the text box feature. It should be somewhere here to the right, there in the text section, text box. And here, simply select the Draw Text Box feature at the bottom of that menu. After that, draw your text box with your mouse anywhere you like here on your page, just like that. And simply enter your text, like for example, test text 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's your box, and what you want to do now, guys, is simply click on your text box here and use that angle here at the top to rotate your text manually. And you may, for example, adjust a custom angle like this, like for example 90 degrees or 45 or anything between, just like that. And that's basically it, because now you will also notice that your text box has a border. If you'd like to get rid of that, simply select your border or the edge of your text box, right click on it and select Format Shape here. After that, here on the right panel, what you want to do, guys, is expand the line options here and switch from solid line to no line. That is going to remove the border for your text box. Now, since I'm using Microsoft Word in dark mode, it may appear dark in the background, but it's actually also white if I, for example, printed that document. So both the text box as well as the background should be white for you if you're, for example, not using the dark mode. So guys, that's basically it. That's how you add text boxes to your document in Microsoft Word and rotate your text. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.